Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which I personally use for past 5 weeks to actually calling API models from a single website. So this website provides you with a free API key for all the AI models which are there. It's called as APIPass AI. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes APIPass.dev. So it contains models for all kinds of thing that you want to use. It can be used for code generation, image generation, video generation. So it has Claude, Opus, we have GPT, Quen 3, Grok. All these models are there in a single website, and this is the address apipass.dev. So the interface, the landing page looks something like this. Any API, any model, always on. So here you can see that all the latest models are directly there in this single website. We have Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, Gemini, Gemini C Dream. All the providers, famous providers, are there in this single website. Runaway, which is video generation, Google View, Flux, Sora, Quen 3, Gemini, Claude, everything. So now to get started, it's very simple. Very simple. You click on the sign in button and you can continue with your Google account. It has this option. So once you sign up using your Google account, it gives you your free API key. Sometimes this website, I think at this moment of time, it's currently down. But I have personally using this website for 5 days for now. It's perfectly working. Sometimes it is currently down at this moment of time, but you can try at a later time. It will definitely work. I am using it for 5 weeks now. So it is called as APIPass.dev. So click on Explore API. So it has, you can see that this is their page, API Pass. It has text to image, image to video, Nano Banana, as you see that, Suno, Vio, Kling 3, Nano Banana 2. So right here you simply see the list of all the models which it supported category wise as well. So right here, and in the sidebar section you simply see the pricing. From here you can see the pricing here for each model directly. So this is the credit cost, 40 per million tokens. Price, it is shown right here. So pricing is shown. And if you need to create this API key, you click the API key section and simply sign up. I don't know, at this moment of time it's currently down. As you see that it is giving this error at the host level. Currently this website is down, but you can try at a later amount of time. As you see that let me try this with the Firefox. API pass, you can see that. So you can see that, just click on that specific model and it actually shows you this is the model right here. Once you sign up, you get total free credits as well. I simply signed up 4 weeks ago. I got free credits. As you see that free trial is included, no credit card is required. So you can check out the documentation of this. So right here it shows you the Nano Banana 2. So this is a simple thing. First of all, you get your free API key. After you sign up, you receive free trial credits instantly, no credit card required. Your API key is simply sign up, you get your API key. After that, pick your model and parameters, and this returns this JSON response to you whenever you make the request. This is a model name, input prompt, aspect ratio, resolution, output format, JPG. Then submit and get a task. So once you make the post request, this is a curl request which is shown, you get this task ID that you see in the response. So now to retrieve your image, you pull the status pointer, use a callback. So you get this direct URL whenever you make this get request using this task ID. So you get this JSON response success, and this is your URL of the image generated. So these are 4 simple steps. It's really simple to call this API, and you can try out for completely free. So as you see that for each one. So yeah, so currently this website is down, but definitely later on check out this. Once you sign up, you get free credits, and simply you can get the API key and make the request.